Here's the 7-inch radio on Toyota Prius Alpha or CX, whatever people call it. So the radio have all features, YouTube, you have Google Maps as well, but you need to have a hotspot in your phone to able to use this one. You have Bluetooth, you can connect your phone. You also have dedicated microphone external for better perception. You can listen music by the Bluetooth. You have the radio with RDS, so you will be able to see station's name as well, like this. So that's the 2 USBs you have, and if you have back camera it will work. We can connect it and it will work. What else? You probably can connect anything you like. You can download anything you like on this Android. You have Chrome, you have screen mirroring, whatever you want, and steering controls is working as well. So it's fully integrated in Toyota Prius Alpha and in regular Prius as well. Thank you.